Hey everybody, it's Dick here. This is a short video of an update on the Mutt modifications I'm doing to make the Mutt hilts into my holdover dual sport do everything don't care if I drop it bike. In the last episode I cut slots into the stock bash guard to fit the engine guards so that I can run both as engine protection. In this episode I will be addressing the rear end of the bike. The next parts I'm going to install are the luggage racks that I'm going to try and partner as crash protection. They're pretty narrow gauged and smaller than I thought they would be. I'm going to try it anyway. I'm also going to be installing the Sinnis Scrambler taller exhaust, which I mentioned might cause a chain guide issue, but I'm going to try that anyway. That's a significant height change. It's definitely a more aggressive stance. It's more of a roadster now. It's kind of angled forward. It was always rubbing on that guide anyway. Just seems to be more drastic now, is it? Nope, it's fine. I guess the only way to really tell is to take it for a ride. Probably want to tighten it. I'm gonna have to lose those because that touches there. I'm gonna tighten this chain because this chain is running a bit low, and I'm hoping that by tightening it, it will be not resting on the frame there and acting like a chainsaw as I drive down the road. I do like these little features that this bike has. M17, this rubber cap for the axle nut is a 17. On the other side the rubber cap says 19. There we are. How far do I want to move that chain line? Might be a problem. That notch is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. make sure you remember to torque that down to specified torque settings for your rear axle. That's good, and it's off the frame. Biggity bam. Biggity bam. Got the ugly seat on, got the luggage racks, got the taller suspension, adjusted the chain, bash guards, engine guards. All I have to do now is address front fender and the handlebar guards, and we are in business. If you like that video and you want to see more like them, hit like, share, and subscribe.